Hey, welcome back. Okay, so I have never in my life actually picked up any of the Lego classic set. These are actually, they're just like boxes of bricks basically. So they're to add to your brick collection. This one though kind of piqued my fancy because it's got functions in it. So it's designed to have moving parts. So it's got gears and cogs and stuff in it so that you can actually build things that move and turn around and do stuff. And there are ideas included, thankfully, because I'm not terribly great at building initially without some instructions. So today we're going to build the actual ideas that are included. But just some details on this set. There are 500 pieces, which is a really great amount of pieces for the price that you pay. $50 in Australia, $30 in the US, but I got to tell you that this is on its way out. So it's retiring. So it's currently at Target here in Australia, it's $25. So pick it up if you want to just build up your brick collection with some interesting, really colourful pieces. And I'm going to have a bit of a go at just doing like moving parts because it just fascinates me because, you know, when you watch Brickmasters and they do all these moving part things, not that I would be any good at Lego Brickmasters. I know my limitations. I can build on a tiny scale. I spent hours and hours getting tiny details. I'd be no good building under time conditions. No way. So anyway, but I highly admire people who are able to do that. But anyway, I am fascinated by making things move and I'm terrible at it. So I decided that I was going to learn from this. So let's build what's in here with the actual ideas. So we've got quite a few different builds. I'm going to build every one of them today, but they're still not going to move. No, they're all going to move. They're still not going to take up all of the parts that are included. So all of these interconnect. So that's cool. This is a little watery theme. So not only is it moving, but it's also like tells a little story, which is just adorable. I love that. So we've got turning parts. We've got a crab. We've got some little flowery, no, they're not like, it's not flowers because it's a crab, it's seaweed. So we're under the sea and we're building some fish to go on these blue pillars and they are going to go in opposite directions. Is that how it's worked out? Let's find out. So we'll get our fishies together. We got a little orangey Nemo-y one. So down here, oh, that fits in so perfectly. And then we got a blue one. Like, is this like a Nemo and Dory situation? I think that's adorable. Okay, I think it is. So we've got a little blue fish here now and just putting the tail on. So this one goes up here and then, no, hold on. They're both going the same direction, but they're at different heights. So if you have the cogs two apart, they're going to go in the same direction. Okay, cool. So I learned something. I hope I retain it. I don't know that I will, but I'm just going to have fun building this. And then eventually I will play with it and see what I can do on my own or just incorporate stuff into my own builds that move. Will I ever though? I just don't know. I'm just so bad at it. So, you know, like traditionally things that you're bad at, you tend to avoid doing them, right? But I'm so keen to learn. I find it so interesting. Okay, so we've got a little turny bit on the bottom. We've got places for turny bits and on the top too. So on the sides, so this one interconnects with the bottom and it's going to interconnect on the top too. I can tell where this is going. I just can't. I'm one of those people who cannot visualize pictures in my head. Like I cannot visualize an end product. It just, for me, it is all just in process. And when I get to the end, I go, wow, that's amazing. Okay, so we've got all our interconnected gears and they turn the bit on the top. We're actually building a brick-built ballerina. So it's like a little music box, trinket box, so cute. So a brick-built ballerina on the top with a little ponytail at the back and the purple skirt. But I mean, we can fiddle around with this and you can change this out to be whatever you want it to be. You can pop your favourite mini doll on the top. I can pop my little my fairy blossom, my fairy plum fairy, sugar plum fairy, that's it, sugar plum fairy. Or I could put, oh no, they're both going the same way, that's boring. Maybe they could both go on the top they can both go on the top. They can face back to back. Yeah, look at that. So you could pop your favourite mini on the top. I like that idea so much. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, so we've made a little music box style thing. We've made our little fishies in the ocean. Next up, we got a rod and we are spacing out. So this is how you make the things like the piano keys move in all of those really cool technical builds. So when this rod turns, they're going to go up and down at different times. So I can understand the logistics of this. I just never think to actually do it myself. So if it's actually a keyboard. Oh, cool. All right. So we are going to be making the keys move. No, hold on. The keys are on the front. So it's not a keyboard. it's actually, these are going to go up and down when they hit the little things underneath. So it's like a pipe organ. So we got our big pipey bits on the top. So now we can see the internal workings, which I just love being able to see. And they go up and down in a sequence. Very, very cool. And now we just fill it out with the rest of the decoration with the rest of the pipe organ-y things. Oh, that's cool. Okay, nice and simple. I think, yeah, cool. All right, cool. I love it. We just built a little pipe organ. How fun is that? Okay, next one. Next one is a red thing with yellow in the middle. More yellow, red, yellow and red, lots of yellow and red. I have no idea what we're building here. This is the moving component here. So, oh gosh, I've never seen this little, looks like you could slip a piece of paper between that. So I think this is going to be used in the same way as the pipe organ. So it's going to turn and flip whatever it's, okay, so this is going to be on the inside and it turns so it flips something above it up and down. Okay, I understand so far. I'm enjoying the understanding. I'm glad to not be feeling out of my depth. We got like, it's got like a little tail out of, this is weird, like a tongue, a green tonguey thing. I know what it is! Because this here, oh my goodness, this is adorable. So this is a little wormy. It's a little wormy in a munched out apple. So you're turning its tail. Oh my goodness, you're turning its tail and then it goes, pops up and down. So it's not actually fixed in there. It's just sitting there loose and bounces up and down. It's a munched out apple. And just two little green leaves. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. It's so adorable. I'm going to put that on my desk table. It's like the best fidget toy. Okay, what's next? I'm having lots of fun. Okay, we got looks like a tree trunk. I'm going with a tree trunk. It is a tree trunk. It is the most bricky kind of tree ever. We've got some angled plates here, green plates to actually create the foliage, which is cool. And this goes through the middle and that's just like a spinny thing. Okay, so we have a spinny thing in the middle of the tree, like a spinny branch. And then this, which is, oh, it's a parrot. It's lying on its back. Oh my gosh, that parrot wouldn't boom if you put 4 million volts through it. Oh, look, it's even got like sleepy eyes. Oh my goodness me. Okay, so that's stuck to the side. Oh, well, that's reasonably underwhelming. I do like the little parrot build though, especially when it was kind of lying flat on its back. It's like a budgie having a sleep or demised. Okay, next one. This is the last of the builds, I think. This one's a helicopter. And this has actually got a few different moving parts because, I mean, obviously vehicles can be a little bit more involved. And we've got, I love the color scheme though. It's not like a boring old helicopter that you get in a Lego city set. It's vibrant orange and green. Got a wheel on the bottom. We got some cog up the side and one on the top, like gears, sorry, at the sides and the top to interconnect. This is also going to interconnect to down the bottom. Ooh, so when you roll it along, I love these green things with a rubbery wheel, the rubbery wheel bits. Oh, okay, so they're going to grip on the ground, or the floor, and when you roll it around, it actually turns the top rotor. Oh, I do like that. That's lots of interconnectivity. This is actually going to be the rotor. Nice big buildable rotor. Nice and simple, just with some grey plate pieces. Simple as best. Look at that. Oh, that's very fun. All of these would make the most fun fidget toys. Okay, all right. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to start utilizing what I have learnt. Even though the parrot is so underwhelming, it's so much fun to turn. But yeah, this dude is my absolute favourite. The little worm in the apple, and you can mix this one up too. So yeah, how am I going to incorporate these ideas into my own builds? I don't know. Maybe I should set myself a challenge to actually do some moving part builds. The idea actually fills me with a whole load of fear. But this set itself has just got so many different colours and shapes and so many fun ideas. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Click like, subscribe to all the things, and check back in because there are more videos coming up soon. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.